Hey guys, Chris from GamerTech Toronto here, and in today's video we're going to be covering how to enable TPM on your Gigabyte motherboard so your system is ready for Windows 11. Well, what is TPM anyways? Well, TPM helps keep your PC's data secure by storing cryptographic keys. It's a small setting in your BIOS that makes a big difference for system protection and Windows 11 compatibility. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to restart our computers. Once our computers are booting back up, spam the delete key on your keyboard until it goes into the BIOS. Most likely by default you should be in easy mode in the BIOS. Go ahead and press F2 to switch to the advanced mode. Now that we're in advanced mode, go to settings and look for something I/O ports or miscellaneous, depending on your model. There you should see the TPM setting. If you have an Intel CPU, enable PTT for platform trust technology. If you're on AMD, just enable the AMD CPU fTPM. Once we've enabled our setting, go ahead and press F10 on your keyboard, which will automatically save and exit the BIOS. Your PC should restart back up and you can go into Windows. Press the Windows plus the R key and type in tpm.msc and confirm that it says TPM is ready for use. If you don't see TPM is ready for use or you don't even see that feature at all in your BIOS, go ahead and update your BIOS. That can help fix it. And that's it. You've enabled TPM on your Gigabyte motherboard. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos on how to update your motherboard's BIOS and so many more. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.